Ever landed on a website, read the headline, and bounced almost immediately? Yeah, we all have. But what if I told you that just one small tweak, like moving a button or changing the headline, can lead to a 43% increase in people actually taking action? That's what happened with the Real Beauty brand's landing page. The magic was not in a full redesign, it was understanding how real people behave. In this video, I am breaking down real examples of how small landing page improvements created big results. We are talking about 4% lift for a logistics brand, over 590% growth for a travel site, and a 125% jump in checkouts for an online store, all from small layout and messaging changes. No fluff, just clear proven strategies you can apply to your next redesign. Not long ago, we worked with a client in the e-commerce space. They came to us with a page that looked beautiful but was not performing. We did not start with a total makeover. Instead, we focused on how their audience actually used the page, where they looked, where they clicked, where they dropped off. By changing the layout, simplifying the message, and making the call to action easier to find, we saw a 3x improvement in their sales in just a few weeks. Hey, once a co-founder of Victorflow, we have worked with the businesses big and small to improve their website using combination of design, strategy, and data. And in this video, I want to share what actually moves the needle on landing pages, so you can stop guessing and start seeing the real results. Let's get into the real numbers and lessons. First, content plus layout tweaks increased conversions by 4%. One moving and logistics company saw a 4% jump in people taking action after improving the clarity of message using better headlines and adding trust signals. They also saw a 6.7% drop in people leaving the form halfway through. That's just from reordering content and adding reassurance. Second, better testimonials boosted conversions by 34%. Another company added customer quotes and reviews higher up on their page, and conversions went from 33% to over 43%. Another business doubled their results by simply moving those same reviews higher on the page. Real feedback builds trust. It's that simple. Third, focused layout drove 125% checkout increase. Flows USA cleaned up the product page using user recordings and heat maps. No fancy redesign, just putting the right info in the right place. That led to 125% more people completing their purchase. Fourth, prominent button increased conversions by 591%. One of the wildest stats. A travel company moved their main button into a more visible spot, and their conversion rate jumped from 2.7% to 19%. That's a 591% improvement just from moving one thing. Don't underestimate how powerful layout and visibility are. Fifth, split testing brings big wins. 3M ran structured testing across their different pages and saw a 50% increase in results. Testing is not for huge companies. You can test headlines, buttons, colors, or page order and get great data in return. Sixth, mobile experience matters. 83% of visits now happen on phones, but mobile pages still convert worse than desktop ones, around 8% lower on average. That's a huge gap. Optimizing your mobile layout, loading time, and tap targets can instantly improve your results. Seventh, shorter forms equals more completions. Cutting form fields from 5 to 3 increased completion by 50%. People don't want to fill out long forms. If you need more info, use a step-by-step form instead of showing everything at once. I have already explained about fixed long forms that are hurting your conversions as a separate video in my channel. You can find the link in the description. Eighth, pages with videos convert up to 86% better. Adding a short video, either a product demo or a customer story, can boost your conversions by up to 86%. It does not need to be a huge production. Even a simple screen recording with a clear audio can do the job. Ninth, load speed still matters. 47% of people expect your page to load in 2 seconds or less. That's not a suggestion, it's an expectation. Compress images, remove unused scripts, and keep it lean. It affects bounce rates and sales. 10th, add a bit of urgency gently. When used properly, messages like limited time or only X spots left can increase conversions by 332%, but only if it's honest. People can sense fake scarcity from a mile away. 11th, strong design builds trust. 94% of people judge your business credibility based on design. Even small thing like inconsistent font or outdated layout can hurt trust. Make it feel modern, clean, and easy to read. All of this shows one thing: you don't need a huge redesign to get better results. Real growth comes from understanding what your visitors need and making it easy for them to take action. If you need help redesigning your site or improving a specific page to boost results, check out the link in the description. We do this every day for businesses who want websites that not only look good but convert better too. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.